ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನು ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಅನ್ಫರ್ಗೆಟಬಲ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್?
Bachchan?
ಯಾ, ಬಚ್ಚನ್.
Let me remember, give me some time. There's something very funny happened. But I can't say it was something like double meaning. I would say. Well, I was shooting a scene with Bullet Prakash and Tulip and me and Sudeep. And there I had a dialogue, you know, I was just giving a cue, so I was saying half dialogue. I was not saying complete dialogue. Because the director said, I just need 2 lines. And that was coming into double meaning. And Bullet Prakash is laughing, Sudeep is laughing, and they don't stop. Half an hour they were laughing. And the director...
Now I'm really curious. What was that?
I can't even say it is that bad.
Is it really?
I'll tell you off camera. No, I can't tell you. I can't tell you.
People want to know.
No, sets out. No, they cannot, man. It's so very dirty meaning.
Okay, fine. So everybody were laughing.
Laughing, yeah. And Bullet
Did you
Prakash...
understand or not?
I understood. Earlier I was like, why are they laughing? And I was like frowning. Later I understood why they were laughing.
Okay.
And every time I would ask Neer Bartalwa. Oh shit, I said. Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah. Off camera. It's something like Neer Baralwa. It's like, तेरे घर पे पानी नहीं आता है क्या? So, just shut it, man. So I was supposed to say half dialogue only.
Okay.
So that was coming something in double meaning. And Bullet Prakash, you know how he is. He would like, I was like, there's no water in your house, and he would what? And he was supposed to give me serious emotions, like, and he's laughing. He just can't stop laughing.
Okay.
And we went 10 takes, and then director got angry. What is wrong with you guys? Just, you know, concentrate. And that was all Sudeep, done by Sudeep. He's so mischievous. He shows that attitude. But on set and all, he's the prankster.
Okay.
Plays a lot of prank. And
Has he played any?
yeah, he played a prank with me.
Whoa, what is it?
No, like, for example, he will tease me, he'll irritate me. Like, I had a scene where I'm crying and all, and after cut also, no, generally you should not immediately leave your emotions, because editing me, there's the issue. So I had this scene, I'm like, and it was a cut. Then he came to me, he's like, hello, cut, take is over, stop acting. And everybody, he'll just come and pull my leg out the time.
You would feel really bad.
Embarrassed.
You're into character. And
exactly. And he was just, I'm doing acting, he's behind me, suddenly he'll come and he's like, scene is over, ma. Yeah, he's a prankster. Yeah, he's a prankster.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ.
Okay, wait, hang on. You've been grilling me since long.
Just this one. Okay.
See, now he's been grilling me since long, and I want to understand how much depth is there in his knowledge, or it's just shallow. No knowledge.
Shallow.
I want to ask him that why do we celebrate Ganpati? See, no answer. People just blindly. Do you celebrate Ganpati?
Yes.
He celebrates Ganpati, but he doesn't know why we celebrate Ganpati.
We celebrate Ganpati for the utmost devotion to Ganesha.
Good. Trying to wrap up that I am intelligent. Well, there was nothing such that some god came and said. I basically started from Lokmanya Tilak. He started this Ganpati thing, and that's how we all celebrate it.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು.
You told. No, he's lying.
ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ?
Sorry, sir.
You have to ask me any questions, or shall I ask you?
Should I?
ಬೇಡ, ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ರಾಜ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್, ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋಂತಹ ಡೈಲಾಗ್.
There's this funny dialogue. I'm this girl Tulip Joshi. I love that dialogue. Just a one line, but I love it.
Yeah, sure.
Tulip comes to meet Sudeep, and I'm Sudeep's love interest, and I get little insecure because obviously Tulip is so beautiful looking, and she's an NRI in the movie, and I feel that insecure. And I think girls can relate to me when, you know, pretty girl comes in front of your guy and how you feel and all. So like I'm looking at her, and then after she goes, I hit Sudeep and I say, "A Billy Jirlena yako tapkonde." So that's my favorite dialogue, and that's one line I say it very correctly without prompting. So director's like, this line you're saying it correctly.
So ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, of course I know. Why are you hugging this white cockroach? Yes, of course I know.
You really loved it.
Yes, I really loved it. Now I'll go back to Bombay and I'll say my guy. Yeah, Billy Jirlene yako tapkonde.
Nice. So let's go back to Bombay and let's just remember the Ganesha days. See, Bombay ಗಣೇಶನ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
20 feet and all.
So have you seen the biggest Ganesha statue in Bombay?
Yeah, there is this Tilak Nagar Ganpati which is like about 20 feet or something like that, which is really huge, and it's very difficult to load it, unload it, because I believe there's a mandap and the roof up is like they don't cover it. They land it with the crane, and when they have to do Visarjan they pick up by crane. And that's all fine, but then imagine that such big huge thing you're putting in a sea and polluting everything, which is not right. I think no God has said that get me bigger or something like that. I feel competition should not be good. Yeah, at least in God, then this kind of religious matters, I don't think so competition is good.